Hi, my name is Michael, head of the customer service department of Decibel Hearing Aids, and today I'm going to be going through the unboxing of the R4 hearing aids. And now inside each of your packages you'll receive in the mail, you will have the two R4 hearing aids and a screwdriver to help adjust with the volume. Now each of the boxes contains the same exact materials, so I will only be going over one for the purpose of the video. Now, once you open up the box, you have your charger for your R4, the box itself containing the hearing aids and accessories, and the instruction manual. Now the instruction manual folds out like so and details everything you'll need to know about upkeep of your hearing aids. Now, once you open up the box, you will find your R4 hearing aid with a plastic ear dome already attached. You will also find a little brush to help clean off any sort of debris or earwax that might build up on the plastic dome, and 3 extra ear domes. That way you can find the right size for your ear. And that's everything included in the box. Thank you so much for choosing Decibel Hearing Aids. I know you'll enjoy your R4. Thank you.